ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। सुमुखश्च एकदन्तश्च कपिलो गजकर्णकः लम्बोदरश्च विकटो विघ्नराजो विनायकः धूमकेतुर्गणाध्यक्षः फालचन्द्रो गजाननः वक्रतुण्डः शूर्पकर्णो हेरम्बः स्कन्दपूर्वजः शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। यस्य द्विरदवक्त्राद्या पारिषद्या परस्सतं विघ्नं निघ्नन्ति सततं विश्वक्सेनं तमाश्रये। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय कृष्णाय अक्लिष्टकारिणे नमो वेदान्तवेद्याय गुरवे बुद्धिसाक्षिणे कृष्णद्वैपायनं व्यासं सर्वभूतहिते रतम् वेदाब्जभास्करं वन्दे समाधिनिलयं मुनिं जन्माद्यस्य यतः अन्वयात् इतरतश्च अर्थेषु अभिघ्नः स्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदायः आदिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत् सूरयः तेजोवारिमृदां यथा विनिमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि धर्मः प्रोचितकैतवोऽत्र परमो निर्मत्सराणां सतां वेद्यं वास्तवम् अत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनम् श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा परैरीश्वरः सद्यो हृद्यवरुध्यतेः अत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषिभिः तत्क्षणात् निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखात् अमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिकाः भुवि भावुकाः यं प्रव्रजन्तम् अनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरह कातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवः अभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि यः स्वानुभावम् अखिलकृतिसारम् एकम् अध्यात्मदीपम् अपि तितीक्षतां तमोन्धम संसारिणां करुणयाः पुराणगुह्यं तं व्याससूनुम् उपयामि गुरुं मुनीनां नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. Now with Bhagavan's grace, let us continue from where we left off yesterday. We came up to Slokam 63, Adhyayam 8, Skandam 4. Narada Muni describes how to do tapas, what form to meditate on, what is the mantram, this is called Shotasa Akshara Mantram, Shotasa Akshara Mantram, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. It got, Shotasa means 16 letters it has got. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. And teaching him that, and then also the methods, the process of doing meditation, and the bhavam with which meditation should be done. Then Narada leaves that place, and Dhruva, after having been instructed by Narada, then he did pradakshinam to Narada Muni, then bowed down to him in worship, and then went to the most sacred than Madhuvanam, which has been made sacred because Bhagavan's lotus feet walked on it. So the place he went. After Dhruva went away, Narada went to the Antapuram of Uttanapada's palace, and there he was received very reverentially, given all hospitalities, and also made very comfortable to sit in a very comfortable on a comfortable seat. Then after he is seated, then he started speaking to the king Uttanapada. Now 64. Narada Uvacha Rajan kim dhyayase dirgham mukhena parisushyata kim va narishyate kabah dharmo vartena samyutah. Rajan kim dhyayase dirgham mukhena parisushyata kim va narishyate kamo dharmo vartena samyutah. Rajan, yeah, Rajan, king, parisushyata mukhena, parisushyata, the dull, completely like a withered face, withered, like a flower withering. Parisushyata mukhena, with a face that looks so dull and completely withered. We say in Tamil, Vadiya Mukattudan, in Mukhena. Mukhena, grammatically, always try to understand so we can appreciate. Mukhena is in that Mukham, along with that Mukham, Mukattudan. Parisushyata Mukhena. Dirgham kim dhyayase, dirgham for a long time. Kim dhyayase, what are you thinking? Hey Rajan, your face is so dull and lost very hopelessly. It will look so sad like a withered flower, lifeless face. And what are you thinking for such a long time? Dirgham kim dhyayase. Arthena samyutaha dharmaha kamaha kim va narishyate. Kim va narishyate. Arthena samyutaha dharmaha kamaha. See, dharmartha kamam. Remember? Arthena samyutaha dharmaha kamaha. So, the artham or arthena samyutaha, along with the artham, the wealth in the kingdom, the various resources, that they're all inseparably together. Arthena samyutaha, along with those, not independently God, but they're all God along with dharmaha only. Along in a dharmic way only all the wealth have been done. So dharmaha and arthena samyutaha kamaha, all the desires that in the kingdom of the people and all that is also along with the various wealth that have been obtained. The wealth have been obtained with proper desires and it's been obtained in a dharmic way. So arthena samyutaha dharmaha kamaha, that dharmam, that artham and the kamam, kim va narishyate, they have not been destroyed, have they? Why are you thinking so hard with such a sad face? No, you still, the wealth has not been lost, which wealth has not been lost, dharmam has not been lost, and also the dharmic desires, they have also not been lost, right? So kim va narishyate. Rajovacha suto me balakah brahman trairena karunatmana nirvasitah panchavarsha saha matra mahan kavihi. Rajah uvacha suto me balako brahman trairena karunatmana nirvasitah panchavarsha saha matra mahan kavihi. Padangal very simple. Sutaha me balakaha brahman strainena akarunatmana nirvasitah panchavarsha saha matra mahan kavihi. A Brahma Rishi is talking now. Panchavarsha mahan kavihi. me balaha or me balakaha. Panchavarshaha, 5-year-old. Mahan kavihi, very wise. Very wise. Kavihi, in this case, kavi means poet, but also means very scholarly, very knowledgeable, a wise person. Also it means Bhagavan, who's writing. Many places it comes, not only Vishnu Sahasranamam, Vedangal and all that you see the word, Padam Kavi comes. And Bhagavan is the divine poet who is singing my life, your life, everybody's life. And not only that, he knows what happened in the past, what is happening in the present, what is going to happen in the future. All he knows. Because he's the one who's writing a divine poem. Every one of our life is actually a divine poem. Please don't reduce it or decline it. It's a very sacred thing. Not only being a human being, but to be even utter Bhagavan's name. We're so fortunate, so blessed we are. And so Mahan Kavihi, that is Mahan Kavihi, me balaha, me balakaha, my child is 5 years old and also a very wise person. Strainena, stri. Okay, strainena, being controlled by my wife, by the Stri, who was Suruchi, okay? Strainena, being under the control of my wife, akarunatmana, without love, without compassion, without daya. Matra saha, that me balakaha is a subject. Me balakaha, my child, 5-year-old child. Strainena akarunatmana, being under the control of my wife, and by my cruel act. Akaruna means cruel, not compassionate. By my akarunatmana, by me, in a cruel manner, because I've been under the control of my wife, that me balakaha matra saha nirvasitaha, that my child, matra saha, along with his mother, nirvasitaha, he has been excluded, driven away. Because remember, Suniti was also saying, your father is attached only to the other wife, so he is completely ignoring me. He has excluded me, right? So nirvasitaha, moved away. So you pushed them away. So along with me, balakaha, matrasaha, akarunatmana, nirvasitaha, that 5-year-old child along with his mother has been dismissed, excluded, pushed away by my cruel activities. Okay? By not only cruel activities, by the cruelty in me, because I've been under the spell of the other wife. Suto me balakaha brahmanne strainena akarunatmana nirbhasitaha panchavarshaha saha matra mahan kavihi. Next one. Apyanatham vane brahman masmat antyarmakam vrukaha. Srantam shayanam kshudidam parimlana mukam bhujam. Apyanatham, api, anatham, we'll get the padangal in a minute. Apyanatham vane brahman ma smadantyar bhakam vrakaha srantam sayanam kshudhitam parimlana mukam bhujam. Api anatham vane brahmanne ma sma adanti arbhakam vrakaha srantam sayanam kshuditam parimlana mukha ambujam. Brahman, O Brahma Rishi, Narada, vane, in the forest, anatham, anadayai, without any support. Anatham. Shrantam, very tired, exhausted. Shrantam, physically, that's why we say sramam. See, the word sramam, you know. Sramamarika, we say in Tamil colloquially. That means, is it difficult for you? Shrantam, one who is exhausted, very tired. Shrantam. Kshutidam, very hungry. Kshut. Kshut means hunger. Okay? So, Kshuditam, very hungry. Sayanam, he is lying down. See, my son is lying in the forest, very tired, hungry, and also very tired and hungry. He is lying down in the forest without any support. Okay, anatham vane, anatham shrantam kshuditam sayanam. That's my son. Parimlana mukambhujam. Parimlana mukha ambhujam. See, when the lotus flower fades away, when it withers, it's like that. That arbhakam, my child, akorandayai, arbhakam, again grammatical, okay? That my child, my little boy, who is lying in the forest, tired and exhausted and thirsty and hungry, and with a face that is withered because no energy left. That my child, vrigaha, vriga means jackals. Jackals, masma, adhanti api. They should not bite him. The jackal should not bite him. He is lying there. Apyanatam vane brahman masma adantyarbhakam vrikaha shrantam sayanam kshudhitam parimlana mukambhujam. Number 67. Aho me bhata dhauratmyam strijitasyopādhāraya yonkam premnaru rukshantam nabhyanandamasattamaha. Aho me bhata dhauratmyam strijitasyopādhāraya yonkam premnaru rukshantam nabhyanandamasattamaha. Nabhyanandam asattamaha. Padangal. Aho me bhata dhauratmyam stri jitasya upadharaya yaha ankam premna aru rukshantam na abhyanandam asattamaha. Aho me bhata dhauratmyam stri jitasya upadharaya yaha ankam premna aru rukshantam na abhyanandam asattamaha. Asattamaha yaha ankam premna aru rukshantam na abhyanandam. Okay, several padangal are used, but we will take one at a time. Basically, this phrase means asattamaha yaha ankam premna aru rukshantam na abhyanandam. The most cruel myself, I, who is very cruel and did not accept my son who was wanting to sit on my lap very lovingly, or rukshantam, wanted to climb on my lap, or rukshantam ankam, wanting to climb on my lap very lovingly. It's a small child, 5-year-old, but I did not accept him. Na abhyanandam, I rejected him. That cruel person that I am, stri jitasya, being under the control of my wife, me dhauratmyam, my cruelty. Okay, my more than cruelty. What is it? What's the word? Dushtan. Dushtan. How do you say in English? Okay, that person. Me dhauratmyam upadharaya. Please understand. Understand, Narada, Brahman, Maharishi, understand. Okay. Aho, bhata. What difficulty, what misery this is. So now padangal. Asattamaha, very cruel. Sattamaha means very good person. Asattamaha, very bad person, very cruel person, hurtful person. Okay, asattamaha. Yaha, who, that me. Yaha asattamaha, which cruel person, that is me. Ankam, on my lap. Premna, lovingly. Arurukshantam, to climb, desiring to climb and sit on it. That arurukshantam, the person, my child who is desiring to climb and sit on my lap. Na abhyanantam. I did not agree. I did not accept it. That cruel person that I am. Okay, na abhyanantam yaha asattamaha. Okay, to understand the Sanskritam, beautifully constructed, but difficult to translate the way that we read English. Okay, very difficult to do sometimes. But that cruel person that I am, okay, who did not accept, who rejected my son who was lovingly wanting to sit on my lap. Okay, understand now. Sri Jitasya asattamaha, the one that who's been controlled, under the control, mesmerized by my wife, that cruel person that I am, asattamaha yaha Sri Jitasya, that person that I am, me dhauratmyam, my cruelty, my wickedness, upadharaya, please understand the significance, the intensity. Aho, bhata, how difficult, what misery, what difficulty this is, he's saying. Narada uvacha, mama suchaha satanayam devaguptam vishampate tat prabhavam avijnaya pravrunkte yadyasho jagat mama suchah satanayam devaguptam vishampate tat prabhavam avijnaya pravrunkte yadyasho jagat vishampate, a king, Raja. Yat yashaha, yat whose, yashaha, fame, reputation. Jagat, the whole universe, throughout the whole universe. Pravrunkte, is being spread, has been pervaded. Whose glory and whose fame is spread all over the universe, that Jagat. Tat prabhavam, that Bhagavan's prabhavam, mahimai, glory. Tat prabhavam, that Bhagavan's mahimai and glory, not understanding that is implied. Not appreciating, not looking into that. Tat prabhavam, without understanding and looking into, paying attention to that Bhagavan's prabhavam, whose fame is spread all over the universe. Here Raja, Devaguptam, that Bhagavan, protected by that Bhagavan, Devaguptam, that Bhagavan Kapatra, that being protected by that Bhagavan, who's protected by him? Satanayam, your child, about your child. Ma, suchaha. Do not grieve. Do not be sad. about your son, because he's been protected by Bhagavan, by Bhagavan Sriman Narayana, whose fame and reputation and glory is pervading all through the universe. So that Bhagavan is protecting him. So don't worry, don't grieve. Ma suchaha satanayam devaguptam vishampate tat prabhavam abhignaya. See, that prabhavam abhignaya, I left it out. Tat prabhavam, that Bhagavan's prabhavam abhignaya, not knowing that, not paying attention to that, not appreciating that, whatever way you want to call it, because impossible to know Bhagavan's glory and prabhavam. I mean, it's impossible. How can I understand infinity? So you tell me. But I know there is something that is so great, right? That means I point my mind to it. That is enough. You're not doing that. Avijnaya. Okay? Then, tat prabhavam avijnaya pravrante yat yasho jagat. 69. Now, sudushkaram karma krutva lokapalairapi prabhuhu aishyat achirato rajan yashaha vipulayam stava. Sudushkaram karma krutva lokapalairapi prabhuhu aishyat achirato rajan yasho vipulayam stava. பதங்கள் சுதுஷ்கரம் கர்ம கிருத்வா லோகபாலைஹி அபி பிரபுஹு ஏஷ்யதி okay, not I, it's A actually, ஏஷ்யதி in Sanskritam, that is A. Yeshyati achirataha rajan yashaha vipulayan tava. Vipulayan tava. Once more. Sudushkaram karma krutva lokapalehi api prabhuhu aishyat achirataha rajan yashaha vipulayan tava. Rajan, O king, Prabhuhu, your son is a Prabhu, very exalted he is. Lokapalehi api, one who's a Lokapala, even Indran, even the Devagal, including Indran, even them, Dushkaram, things that even they cannot achieve. That karma, that action, that activity, krutva, doing that. Your son doing the action that even Indra and other Devagal cannot do. But he will do it. Krutva. After having done that, tava yashaha, your fame, vipulayan, he will be spreading your fame. Even today when we talk of Dhruva, we say Uttanapada's son, isn't it? Uttanapada's son. And what happened after Dhruva returned. So, the Uttanapada, when we think of Uttanapada, is as a father of Dhruva, and that fame, that Yashaha, will remain through the passage of time. How fortunate Uttanapada is to be called as a father of Dhruva, to be thought of, to be remembered. The same way Vyasa is remembered as the father of Sukha. The son gives glory to the father. How beautiful it is. So, Tava Yashaha Vipulayan, your fame he will be spreading all over. Achirataha, very quickly, Eshyati, he will return. He will arrive here. Don't worry. He says, your son is a Prabhu. He will carry out actions that even Devagal, Indra and all cannot do. And after doing that, spreading your fame very quickly he will return. Mama Suchaha, do not worry. Okay. Sudushkaram karma krutva lokapalaihi api prabhuhu yeshyat achirato rajan yashaha vipulayan tava. Then Maitreya uvacha. That we will take up next class. Now there he is going to describe, Maitreya is now describing how Dhruva is doing his tapas. And very beautiful thing with Bhagavan's case. We will partake that. And starting in slokam 70 and through 82, the 13th slokangal that describes it. Then next adhyayam, the 9th adhyayam, then we will see the true essence of Bhagavatam, which is nothing but the flow, the exchange of love between Bhagavan and Bhakta. That we will see. Okay. So with Bhagavan's grace, we will continue tomorrow with Maitreya Uvacha and Slokam 70. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Samastalokaha Sukhino Bhavantu Samastalokaha Sukhino Bhavantu Samastalokaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Swasti Prajabhyah Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahishaha. Go Brahmanebhyah Shubhamastu Nityam. Samastalokaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Samastalokaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Samastalokaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Om Tat Sat.